fun.
No, don't do it! Don't eat it, it's slime, baby.
We're gonna make a slime pie, and we're gonna talk about We Live in Time.
We start with the dough, right? Should we get the dough out? This is why she's the cook. Do you want me to roll while you do?
No, why don't you go first?
That's what always happens in the kitchen. I think doing the big birth scene,
Yeah.
which is like the emotional centerpiece of the film, that was really exciting.
I loved having my baby bump. That was really lovely. This is really fun.
Satisfying, yeah. I get more stressed cooking for other people than I think Florence does because I'm not as gifted as her.